Hi everyone, and welcome to Beauty by Rena. Today I will be showing you my wash day routine. Now this routine gives me defined moisturized curls. So if you want to find out how I get these curls, make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna start off by showing you how I deep condition. Now I take a very moisturizing deep conditioner such as this Shea Moisture one, and I add in my favorite oils that help with growth, moisturization, hair renewal, and repair. I add that all into my deep conditioner so that I can get the best results. Now when I start off, my hair is usually dry and very stretched, so I like to run it under the water, get all the gunk like edge control and gel out of my hair before I go into shampoo. When it comes to my conditioner, I am very generous because my hair is very knotty and nappy by the time I have to wash my hair. So in order to help with the detangling process, I add a lot of conditioner. I go into the Tangle with my Tangle teaser. Now you may see that I got a lot of difficulty combing out my hair, but the Tangle teaser actually really helps me to tangle my hair when it comes to wash day. Now after tangling, I lose more than a quarter size amount of hair. I'm not exactly sure why, but if you think you know, let me know down in the comments down below. Now I'm going to go in with my deep conditioning mixture. I really like to layer it on in my hair so that I can get optimal moisture and definition. After that, I like to tie my hair up and then I apply my shower caps. And then I pretty much leave it in for a full day. So see y'all. So the next day, I will rinse out my deep conditioner and start off with my hair in a microfiber towel. Then I will start by separating my hair. I first start off with 2 sections and then end up with 3, which you will see later on in the video. I start off by wetting my hair because that helps my hair accept the products better. Then I go in with my products. When I apply my products, I usually rake my fingers through my hair, and then I like to shingle, which is basically me taking my index finger and my thumb and running it down the shaft of my hair. This helps me get the most definition and it reduces frizz. When I am finished, I like to take my Tangle teaser and just get the most definition out of my curls. Now I only diffuse when I'm going outside in winter days. Normally I'll let my hair air dry, but I will see you when I'm done.
Approximately 10 hours later.
These are my curls after maybe 3 or 4 hours of drying. I usually like to take some coconut oil and just break the gel cast that I have in my hair. I have completely cut out picking my hair because I realize that I do get a lot of shedding and a lot of naps when I do that. So I just ruffle them through the roots of my hair. That is my wash day routine, y'all. I hope I gave you some advice that helps with your wash day. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you. Bye.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to